For many adults, returning to school feels like a chore, a necessary step, not a joyful journey. But we have the power to change that narrative. By recognizing the knowledge they already have and creating a safe, active space, we can help our students rediscover their natural curiosity and truly fall in love with learning. Let's explore how. High-impact tips. 10 ways to make adult learners fall in love with learning. 1. Connect learning to their lives. Show how every new skill or piece of knowledge directly relates to their personal goals or daily life. This makes learning purposeful and immediately valuable. Learning becomes less about abstract rules and more about real-world solutions. 2. Offer authentic choice. Let learners have some control over what they study and how. Provide a variety of reading materials or allow them to choose a project topic. This gives them ownership and sparks genuine interest. 3. Validate their life experience. Acknowledge the knowledge and wisdom they already possess. Ask students to share their experiences and connect them to the lesson. This builds respect and shows them that they are not empty vessels, but valuable contributors. 4. Create a safe and supportive space. Make the classroom a place where mistakes are seen as part of the learning process. Celebrate effort and progress, not just perfect answers. This reduces anxiety and encourages them to take risks. 5. Use active, hands-on activities. Avoid passive lectures. Use games, group work, and practical demonstrations that get learners moving and interacting with the material. This makes learning dynamic and memorable. 6. Celebrate small victories. Recognize every milestone, no matter how small. Acknowledge when a learner masters a new vocabulary word or solves a challenging math problem. This builds momentum and reinforces a positive self-image as a learner. 7. Bring in guest speakers or experts. Invite people from the community or the industries students are interested in. Hearing real-world stories and insights makes the learning tangible. This shows them what is possible with new skills. 8. Teach with a growth mindset. Consistently remind learners that intelligence is not fixed. Explain that with effort and the right strategies, anyone can get smarter and more skilled. This helps them see their own potential. 9. Make it a social experience. Structure lessons to include collaborative learning and peer teaching. When learners can talk with each other about new concepts, it deepens their understanding. Learning becomes a shared journey. 10. Model your own passion. Share your personal enthusiasm for the subject. Talk about a book you are currently reading or a new skill you are learning. Your genuine passion is contagious and inspires students to be curious themselves. By focusing on these strategies, you can help adult students discover the power of learning for themselves. This intentional approach transforms their relationship with education, turning it into a lifelong pursuit of joy and fulfillment. Please share this video in your network. And don't forget to browse our website for more teaching strategies and textbooks. Also, does your curriculum director, instructional specialist, or lead teacher know they can request samples and review CBL math, reading, or ESL textbooks by contacting us today? The CBL team, your partner in student engagement, retention, and learning,